Brian here with HelpSellMyRV.com out of Louisville, Kentucky, where all RVs are for sale by owner. I'm going to do a walk around on this fully loaded, beautiful 2016 Winnebago Vista 35B triple slide bunkhouse Class A gas motorhome. Go ahead and get started on the inside and then finish up by showing you the outside. This coach is fully loaded. Exterior length is 36 feet, 5 inches. Exterior height to the dual AC units is 12 foot, 5 inches. This coach is sitting on the F53 chassis. F53 chassis does have the all-wheel disc brakes. Is sitting on the 362 horsepower Ford Triton V10 engine. Give you an idea of this floor plan here. On these crossovers or hybrids, I like to start up in the cab area. This is Winnebago's calling it the Studio Loft. It is a power bed lift. You can sleep one grown adult up there. Give you an idea of that. There's a power button here, switch, and you can actually lock it, keep it from going up and down. Nice little light up there. Automatically turns off when you put the bed up. And this is fast. A lot of them are kind of slow. It does have like a little seat belt up there to secure it when in transport. Okay, finish up the cockpit in the end. Go ahead and show the first slide out. This is a triple slide. First one's going to be a super slide, 12 foot long, 3 foot deep. Accommodates the ultra leather sleeper sofa. Excellent condition. All the fabrics inside definitely showroom condition. Seat belts. You do have the MCD shades. They're basically the solar and blackout shades. These are the ones you want. A lot of huge upgrades on this coach versus other crossover or hybrids. Okay, and also in the slide out is the boot dinette. This table, actually just push it down. You get the idea. There we go. One-handed right now with the camera, but you get the idea, and the cushions layout, and definitely sleep 2 adults if you want, 2 kiddos. And again, all your fabrics, excellent condition. Kind of zoom in on that. Stain resistant. Show off those window treatments. I always try to do that. Give you a good idea of the color schemes. All your lights inside out and out are all LED. Your cabinets are all going to be, I believe, a maple finish. Beautiful solid wood cabinet drawer fronts, brushed nickel hardware. Some kind of a maple. And speed up the video here. Okay, your entertainment center area here, I believe it's probably maybe a 49-inch flat screen. More cabinets there. This is going to be a huge upgrade. 12 cubic foot, 4-door refrigerator with the maple raised paneling, maple finished, and it does have the ice maker. A lot of them will just be 12 or 13 cubic foot refrigerator without the ice maker, so ice maker definitely is a nice feature to have. Pretty good idea on that. It is bad or cold, just flip the switch on, it's gas and electric. A couple hours later, you're ready to go. This coach does have the Corian countertops all the way through. They're not the imitation stuff, so a lot of high-end features that you're usually not going to find on a coach in this line by other manufacturers. Solid surface Corian countertops. You do have the solid surface Corian countertop lids for the sink. Nice deep stainless steel double bowl sink. Pull out Bowen style sprayer faucet. Beautiful faucet. And again, you have the MCD blackout shades in the kitchen area. More cabinet space. Full length metal ball bearing drawer guides on the coach. Residential style Whirlpool microwave. And correction, that's a convection oven. Show the little gauges there. It is a convection oven. Apologize. Okay, you do have the beautiful linoleum, residential style stain resistant linoleum all throughout the coach. High traffic area, easy to clean. It's going to be your second slide out here. Your second slide out is going to accommodate the bunk beds and the master bedroom closet and entertainment center area. The bunk beds here have these are definitely nice features that you're usually not going to find. Each bunk has their own digital media center, nice little digital screen. They can hook up smart devices in their games. and they're ready to go. And each one has a light. Turn that off and turn that off. And they also have curtains for privacy. Going back into the master bedroom here, this is going to be your third slide out. It's a queen bed. Queen bed slides out, and you do have the MCD blackout solar shades on each side of the bed. Again, all LED lights all throughout the coach to save you on your battery. You do have 110 plug-in outlets on each side of the bed in case you want to plug in a sleep-at machine. It's your huge closet. Again, another TV. Lots of storage space. This is a bath and a half floor plan. Kind of slow down on this, showing you the bathroom area. This is probably one of the neatest features on these bath and a half Class A gas. The huge rear master bath. Nice huge shower with skylight. Show off that vanity area. Nice mirror, huge medicine cabinet. Foot flush porcelain toilet. Walk in here, kind of show off the master bedroom a little bit more. And again, you do have the dual AC units. They're all ducted all the way through. They're high efficiency. You do have a 40,000 BTU furnace on this coach. It's all ducted all the way through. A lot of your coaches in this line will only have a 35,000 BTU furnace. Oh, nice pocket door there, wood pocket door for privacy from the master bedroom into the bunk area and the half bath. Show that here, and then I'll show off that monitor panel. Foot flush porcelain toilet. Nice vanity area, lots of counter space, and a medicine cabinet, not just a mirror. Again, LED recessed puck lights, and you do have the soft touch vinyl ceiling, which is definitely a nice feature. You won't get that on a lot of coaches. Go ahead and show you your central command here. Starting from the bottom, there should be, I believe it's a 1,000-watt inverter. There's your Xantrax inverter feature there. It shows you where you are. It's your thermostat controls for your heat and your AC. It's going to be an energy management system. Shows you how many amps you're pushing. That's definitely a neat feature, so you stop tripping breakers. This is going to be your tank levels here. Freshwater tank. You've got two freshwater and two black water tanks and two gray water. Black is your toilet and gray is your sink and shower. Freshwater tank, I believe, is going to be a 74-gallon freshwater holding tank, and your batteries are fully charged. Water pump switch right there. Water heater. Water heater is going to be a 6-gallon gas electric direct spark ignition water heater. Flip switch on. 15 minutes later, you're ready to go. Generator start buttons right here. You have 149 hours on the generator, and I believe this coach has right around 8,800 miles on it. And then these are your let's see here. Okay, these are your switches for your monitors for your black tank, and switch which monitor you want to keep track of on your gray tank. And these are your slide out switches. Okay. And you do have, I do want to point out, you do have a pocket door here for privacy from the bunk area into the living area. This coach has a lot of stuff. Show off that soft touch vinyl ceiling. You do have fantastic vent fans throughout this coach. There's your second AC. Cockpit area. This is the full reclining co-pilot seat with footrest, and they're all ultra leather. And there's your pilot seat. Excellent condition, all the fabrics. These are ultra leather, so definitely a nice feature. Sit in the cockpit area here and show off the co-pilot seat. Co-pilot seat workstation has 12-volt hookups right there. Nice little wood table here, and there is a 110 outlet behind the seat over here for the co-pilot seat. Nice little doggy window. Okay, and you do on your dash here, pretty easy to figure out. This is going to be your Bluetooth stereo. It shows your cameras. You have a full camera package on this for the backup camera, which is displaying right now. And then if you want to take a right or a left in a lane, you can check your lanes by turning on your turn signal. You have two side mirrors that display up on this monitor. And again, you are Bluetooth capable. You can hook up smart devices to this. Pretty neat. Nice fan here. Okay, there's your Ford badge right there, and let me go ahead and just start this up and show you that mileage real quick. 8,824 miles currently on this coach. It is a second owner coach. 4-point auto level. I'll show that when we're outside. The leveling jacks are down. There's your emergency start button. Ties your house battery and chassis battery together. There's your heated side remote mirrors and your lights to turn off and on. And this little light switch here turns on your reader map. Okay, turn off this fan. Actually, turned on the fans. Okay, let's go ahead and go out on that side. Another neat feature on this coach that they don't offer on a lot, little window shade there. That's definitely a neat feature. I'm going to turn off that generator. I always forget to do that, so I'm not yelling. Here we go. This coach has the full body paint option on it. As I said, this coach is fully loaded. Full body paint. I believe the awning's a 13-foot power awning with the LED lights. And you do have the metal shroud around the awning. Nice Winnebago badge there. You do have the beautiful 22.5 aluminum Alcoa wheels, Michelin tires. The tires are all in excellent condition. Usually you'll get the 19.5 with the steel simulators. Pass-through storage. They've got it loaded up pretty good. There's areas where you can plug in. Slam latch baggage doors. There's a satellite. I'm not sure if the satellite's coming with it. The owner never did install it. Not sure if he has plans for somebody else to have it or what. You can talk to him if you're interested in the coach. Pass-through storage again. It's going to be a 40,000 BTU furnace exhaust service area, 6-gallon gas, electric, direct spark ignition water heater, service panel. More storage. Slam latch baggage doors. Gotta love them. Beautiful. Let me zoom in on those. 22.5 aluminum, brushed aluminum Alcoa wheels. Back up here, kind of give you an idea of the back side. At full body paint, it's a full gel coat, full body paint coach, best you can get. It's going to be your generator, 5500 Onan. Go ahead and show that to you. Gasoline generator, and you do have a gas grill hookup right there. Show the back side here. I'm going to show you a little area where the owner got into something on the back here. It's a non-issue. It's just cosmetic. Somebody's wanting a mint condition coach, that might be a concern to them. Nice ladder to get up on your full walk-on fiberglass roof, not TPO. Definitely fiberglass is the way to go. 5,000 pound hitch receiver. There's your 4-point auto leveling. Backup camera. Nice third eye brake light up there for safety when you're braking, so people don't run into the back of you. Full awning package on this coach. Okay. Water hookup for your back bathroom here, and I'll show that to you here in a second. The other hookup, 50 amp service hookup. There's your second hookup. So you've got two hookup stations, one for the bathroom in the kitchen area and one for the master bath in the rear. You do have black tank sewer flush on this coach. All your holding tanks are heated and enclosed and protected. There's your pass-through storage. I've already shown you the other side, and that door is also pass-through storage. This is the area that may be a concern also, and that's the only other area. They got into something. It's just cosmetic. There, they just touched up with paint, but it's just cosmetic, but it may be a concern to somebody who wants something in excellent condition, pristine. This definitely went through 1010 being the best as far as condition. I think it's a 9. I think most dealers would agree with me. Nice feature here, nice breakers. Fuse box right there basically. Check your fuses. And LP tank. Not sure what size it is. Maybe an 18-gallon LP tank. Again, nice shot on those front 22.5 aluminum, brushed aluminum Alcoa wheels. Now that I know I'm going to stay under 18 minutes, I can kind of slow down and show off this full body paint. There's no delamination on this coach whatsoever. Go ahead and show you that Vista LX badge. Beautiful logo. Raised chrome logo. Vista LX 35B floor plan. I did notice the exhaust is rusted on this, but the hole underneath is fine. Show that off. Yeah, I don't know. Just one of those things. I did check for stress cracks around the slide outs. Did not find any issues. And did check for water damage on the inside and out. Check for delamination, that bubbling you get on the outside. Didn't find any issues. Show up that beautiful front molded fiberglass cap, one-piece windshield, and don't want to forget, there's your side view camera. Chrome heated side view cameras. They're a lot better than the little micro cameras that you get down at the bottom here. These are the ones you want. Heated remote chrome side mirrors with integrated side cameras. Show off that front. Beautiful coach. I think I got everything. If I didn't, I do apologize. It's fully loaded, fiberglass roof, 5500 Onan diesel generator. Gasoline generator, Corian countertops. If the satellite comes with it, great. The 22.5 aluminum Alcoa wheels, that is awesome. And the F53 chassis with the full four-wheel disc brakes and full body paint. I got everything, I think. Anyway, if you want to come and see the coach, just call the number on the ad. You deal directly with the owner. And if you want to keep up to date on RVs coming for sale by owner in the Louisville, Kentucky area, you can always follow HelpSellMyRV.com on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and YouTube. And if you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. Thank you.